Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Motorola Razr 2022. First of all, just open Play Store on both. Then click on the search bars, type and send anywhere and get this app from this developer. When your app is ready, you need to open it. Now, in order to operate in it, you need to click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on Motorola. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. In this pop-up, you can click on Not Now if you want to and close it by selecting OK. Then click on Send at the bottom left corner of your Android and receive over here next to Send on Motorola. Finally, tap on all of those dots from all of those categories and hit Send here. This way you will choose all of those files and transfer them later on. It will take some time though, so I will go with only one, just for example, maybe this one. Click on Send and tap on Got it. Now on Motorola, just tap on one of those options and tap on Close this window. From here, finally, we can connect. If you want to, you can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon here, choosing while using or only this time, and pointing your camera at the code. Or you can always go back and input this key over here instead. Then click on Receive button. As you can see now, after a couple of seconds, my file was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!